This is today's trade. I'm up 1400. I had a fill limit down here. I'll put the picture on screen. I had my entry right here with a limit order, and price hit it and then went a tick under, and it didn't fill me as seen in the picture. And then right here you can see internal high gets hit, and then the buy side liquidity gets hit. We actually do end up retracing down to this 3 minute. That was the initial entry. Hold it and then go higher, which was very nice price action. My stop was just around this area, this OTE area, a little bit lower than it, just in case price wanted to come down deeper. So confidence for the trade, we're a little bit scuffed, but there's this 4 hour here. If I open up ES, the 4 hour got tapped into on ES and not on NQ. So there's a major SMT there. As you can see, this wicked down super far. It made a pin bar candle. There's these equal lows down here, but since this candle did so much damage and took out everything, took out these equal lows, took out this whole breaker area, I saw the trade was good. Also, all-time highs, you're meant to long against all-time highs until you're proven wrong, until a major CISD, I want to say the 30 minute. The reason I wasn't short side biased is, as I just said, with CISDs, this 30 minute candle right here at 9 AM, it couldn't close below this up close candle. If it had, maybe I would have been bearish, but since we were clearly respecting this, I couldn't do it. The other confluences were this SMT right here, liquidity sweep, should have taken these equal lows, but it's fine. And then the 3 minute inverse for value gap. My targets were all-time highs right here, this internal high, and then the -1 standard deviation. And ended up hitting by just about a couple ticks, and then reversing down a little bit, and now we're just sort of chopping through here.